Thank you for joining me today. Wanted to post a post here on solution-focused supervision. I've got some demonstration videos that I may link with this as well so you can get an idea of how it's kind of practiced with clients. And that's not too dissimilar with what we would do with supervisees. You may know, but solution focus is based on a postmodernism or constructivism perspective, that there's not one truth, that we all have our own perceptions of reality and we're creating reality, largely based in our language and in the stories we're telling ourselves. So language is very important here in that we want to, as supervisors, skillfully use our language to look for solutions and to help our supervisees look for what they're doing well and how they can do more of it. One of the things that's nice to keep in mind here with solution-focused therapy, which again is very integrated with solution-focused supervision, is that if you're looking for issues, if you're looking for pathology, you'll find it. That's the language you're using. If you're looking for problems within the family or systems, you're going to find that because that's the language you're using as well. So we want to help supervisees carefully consider the language they're using and to start looking for some solutions. And what I've got here are just a list of questions that can be used in supervision. Let's go through them really quickly. By beginning with your supervisee, what about your work with clients would be most productive to focus on today? So most productive today versus what are the issues you're seeing? What are the problems you're running into? What are your challenges? We want to talk about what's most productive. What aspects of your client's work is going well? And then how did you do that? Because we want the people from kind of a growth mindset perspective. What are you doing that is making things better with your clients? Now, also, when I use the term doing, this could be attitudinally. This could be that somebody is taking a stance, they're feeling more confident, they're being more present and mindful in session. So it may not be techniques that they're using. It could just be that they are growing in confidence with their presence when they're with clients. Okay, so we're also asking the supervisee, what did you do in session that helped make a difference? Again, very solution focused. And let's think about ways we could work together to make you more confident and trusting your clinical intuition. So a supervisee could say, oh, okay, well, when I present a problem, pull from me first. Let's brainstorm and let me come up with ideas first. And that way I can start gaining some confidence that maybe I'm coming up with some decent ideas instead of you just giving me direction automatically. So that's just one example. How will you know when you're improving as a counselor? Okay, that's one way. And in session, when are you feeling most confident? And how are you making that happen? So again, we want them to take ownership of this. What are they doing? What are they thinking that's helping them? And what aspects of your counseling have you seen improvements since we last met? Okay, because oftentimes when they come into supervision, it's all about the issues and the problems and getting help. But we want to start with what improvement? Let's think about this. And tell me the best thing you did with clients this week. Okay, very aligned with that with the previous one. And then as you begin getting better dealing with whatever the situation may be that you're discussing, okay, how will you know that you have the skills and confidence to do it on your own next time? So hopefully you see that these questions through the language we're using are really focusing on solution and also building the skill that's already within that supervisee so they can start trusting their clinical intuition and the skills that they are learning and developing. All right, good people, I hope this was helpful, and let me know in your comments here, and we'll talk to you in the next video. Take good care.